the proper procedure for the new auto inject pen. I have to roll up the arm and expose it. I have to mark it with a nice little X. Prep this. Lock and load. Put the alcohol on first, because by the time I get to the actual process, the location is dry. Don't want no wet alcohol. Locked in. Match up the arrows. Lock it in. It's on 6. Now, let's see, there it is, and 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And no irritation, no pain right now. Take out the needle and clip the needle. Get the right there, put it on, and voila!